Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use AI content, how to create a puzzle book with it and sell it on Amazon KDP. So first of all, we're going to use today ChatGPT. What you need to do here on ChatGPT is of course sign up, and when you will do that, what you want for a puzzle book is of course topics, because you will need a lot of topics to create a puzzle book. So for one topic, we're going to create a puzzle book with 30 words or 20. And for those topics, we're going to ask AI to create them. So let's write down, give me a list for 100 topics. For word search puzzles. You can actually ask it more detailed, but here it is. In a few seconds, we're going to have 100 topics for our puzzle pages. Now, when we have those, we need to, of course, create a puzzle words for every single one of those topics. So first of all, I'm just gonna copy and paste these words. Well, maybe not. Maybe I don't need it actually. I can always come back here and copy it. Also, I'm just gonna copy it like that and not this button, because it will copy it with the numbers and I don't need them. So this is one way. Now, I need 30 words for every single topic, so give me a list of 30 words related to animals. This is our first topic. And here it is, the 30 words, and we have it now. You do this with every single topic. So I'm just gonna copy this, and let's see what the second topic is colors. So I'm just gonna write down, instead of animals, colors. And as you can see, it gives the 30 colors for this topic. And basically this will take some time. You will need to do this for every single topic, but I think it's worth it. So now when we have our words, we need a word puzzle generator. So actually there are a lot of paid ones, but I found one which is not paid one. We're gonna use this one for our puzzle today. So I'm just gonna copy all the animals and the puzzle title. Let's make it animals, but we can actually edit it in Canva after that. So I'm just gonna write down all the words here and create a worksheet. Here it is. It created the worksheet for our and now after that I'm just gonna save it and upload it to Canva. And you're gonna want to do this for every single topic of yours. So we can also do colors. Let's go back and create a worksheet with colors. Oh, I didn't change the topic, so let's go back. This is one way how you can do this, but actually you can also do this on Canva yourself, but of course it will take a lot of time. So on Canva, I just found that on the templates you can search for word search worksheet, and they have all of these worksheets done already, even with the answers, as you can see. But as you can see, it just basically letters, which you can also do, or maybe you can use, for example, this one and change the wording You can actually do this yourself, but of course it will take a lot of time, but it will be yours, and you can definitely then say that it's your content, and maybe you don't even need to tell KDP that it's AI generated, because you only used AI as an assistant, so it's AI assistant content, and you are not required to disclose AI assistant content on KDP. But if you will generate it with AI, then you will need to disclose it and inform them. You are required to inform them. As you can see, you can read this on KDP content guidelines. If you want to know if you can use AI generated content. So the simple answer is yes, but you need to disclose it if it's AI generated. But for this specific word puzzle generating thing, you don't need to disclose it because it's just assisted. So that's one way. And now I'm just gonna upload it to Canva. So as you can see, I uploaded it to Canva, the PDF file, but the letters are somehow don't look that great for me. So I think this word search puzzle generator is not suitable to be edited, because I wanted to delete every single one of those. But yeah, you can also do a screenshot maybe on that PDF file you downloaded, or as I said, you can use page tools to do this. There are many of those, or you can do it yourself. So that's how I would do it. I would probably do it myself. It would take some time, but it would be just mine, and I did it. And yeah, so that's basically how I would use AI ChatGPT for my word search puzzle generation, and of course sell it for Amazon KDP. The Amazon KDP size of the book is definitely what you want, whatever you want. This specific one is A4, but it's not really suitable for KDP. I would suggest 8.5 times 11 inches sized book for KDP. And yeah guys, that's it for this video. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.